Question number 10. It is very similar to the example question. So the coefficients of r minus 1th, rth and the r plus 1th terms are in the ratio 1:3:5 of the expansion x plus 1 to the power n. So find n and r. So what is my r minus 1th term? So it is r minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. What is it? T of r minus 2 plus 1. So this is my r. Equals, what is my n? N c r minus 2 times a, which is x. X to the power n minus r plus 2 times 1 to the power r minus 2. What is my t of r? Which is plus 1 minus 1. So I have t of r minus 1 plus 1. So this is my r. So I have n c r minus 1 of x to the power n minus r plus 1, 1 to the power r minus 1. I have t of r plus 1th term, which is t of r plus 1 itself. So I have ncr of x to the power n minus r times 1 to the power r. Okay. Now they say that the coefficients are in ratio. So ncr minus 2 is to ncr minus 1 is to ncr is nothing but 1:3:5. Now I'm going to club these two and these two. I'm going to find the ratio. So what is ncr minus 1? ncr minus 1 divided by ncr minus 2 equals 3 divided by 1. So what is it? What is ncr minus 1? N factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial times n minus r plus 1 the whole factorial, the whole divided by n factorial divided by r minus 2 factorial times n minus r plus 2 the whole factorial, which is 3. So I cancel the n factorial and the n factorial. Now this is 1 divided by r minus 1 the whole factorial. So I have 1 divided by r minus 1 times r minus 2 the whole factorial. I can write it like this, times n minus r plus 1 the whole factorial divided by 1 by the denominator. So it becomes times the numerator. So I write it in the numerator itself. I take this 1, I write r minus 2 the whole factorial times n minus r plus 2 times n minus r plus 1 the whole factorial equals 3. Okay. So now I cancel the terms r minus 2, n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1 factorial. So what am I left with? I have n minus r plus 2 divided by r minus 1 equals 3. So when I bring n and r to one side, I have n minus r plus 2 equals 3r minus 3, n minus 4r equals minus 5. This is my first equation. Now what happens when I take these two? I have ncr divided by ncr minus 1 equals 5 by 3. So I have n factorial divided by n minus r factorial times r factorial the whole divided by n factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial times n minus r plus 1 factorial equals 5 by 3. The n factorial and the n factorial goes off. So I'm left with the denominator and the denominator. So this, when it comes to the numerator, I can write it as r minus 1 to the whole factorial times n minus r plus 1 times n minus r factorial. N minus r plus 1 minus portion n minus r factorial divided by this denominator. So I have n minus r factorial. R factorial can be written as r times r minus 1 factorial equals 5 divided by 3. So r minus 1 goes off, n minus r goes off. So what am I left with? I'm left with n minus r plus 1 divided by r equals 5 divided by 3. So when I cross multiply, what do I have? 3n minus 3r plus 3 equals 5r. So in total, I have 3n minus 8r equals minus 3. This is my equation number 2. Now I have two equations, two unknowns. I can solve for n and r. So let me erase this part. I have two equations. N minus 4r equals minus 5. Let me multiply this by 3. So I get 3n minus 12r equals minus 15. This is my equation number 1. What is my equation number 2? 3n minus 8r equals minus 3. So when I subtract, this becomes a minus, here it becomes a plus, here it becomes a plus. So 3n minus 3n is 0, minus 12r plus 8r. So I have minus 4r equals minus 15 plus 3. So I have minus 12. So 4r equals 12, r equals 3. Substituting r equals 3 in one of the equations, I have n minus 4 times r equals minus 5. So n equals minus 5 plus 12, which is 7. N equals 7. Okay. Question number 11. Prove that the coefficient of x to the n in the expansion 1 plus x to the power 2n is twice the coefficient x to the n in the expansion 1 plus x to the power 2n minus 1. So you need to find the coefficient of xn in this. You need to find the coefficient of xn from this. You need to prove that the coefficient here is twice the coefficient of this. Okay. So let me find the coefficient of xn in this term. So in this case, 1 plus x to the power 2n, my t of r plus 1 is nothing but ncr a to the n minus r, b to the r. So what is my n? It is 2n in this case. Cr equals, what is my a? 1 to the power 2n minus r. What is my b? X to the power r. So I need my r to be n. You see, when I compare, I need my r to be n. So when my r is n, I have t n plus 1 equals 2n cn. 1 to any power is 1 itself times x to the n. So I have the coefficient of this to be 2n cn. So let me have it here. This becomes 2n factorial divided by n factorial times n factorial. Let this be equation number 1. Okay. What happens when I solve this? So in this case, it is 1 by x, 1 plus x to the power 2n minus 1. So what is my tr plus 1? A general case, ncr, a to the n minus r, b to the r. I need r to be n. So when my r is n, t of n plus 1 equals n, which is 2n minus 1 cn of a to some power. So 1 to any power is 1 itself, times, what is my b? X to the power n. So what is my coefficient here? 2n minus 1 the whole factorial divided by n factorial times 2n minus 1 minus n the whole factorial, which is 2n minus 1 the whole factorial divided by n factorial times n minus 1 the whole factorial. So I need this coefficient to be twice of this coefficient. Correct? So let me call this coefficient capital A. Let me call this B. So I need A to be twice of B. So what do I have here? It is twice of 2n minus 1 the whole factorial divided by n factorial times n minus 1 the whole factorial. So I'm going to multiply this by n and divide by n. So what do I have? I have 2n times 2n minus 1 the whole factorial divided by n factorial n into n minus 1 the whole factorial. So what is it? 2n times 2n minus 1 whole factorial is 2n factorial divided by n factorial. N into n minus 1 the whole factorial is n factorial, which is nothing but a. So LHS equals RHS. Hence proved. Question number 12, last and final question of binomial theorem. Find a positive value of m. You need to find what m is, for which the coefficient of x square in the expansion 1 plus x to the power m is 6. So coefficient of x square is 6. Okay. So what is the general form? TR plus 1 equals NCR a to the power m minus r p to the r. b to the r. Always write this in your exam. So here my n is m, c, r. My a is 1. 1 to the power m minus r times what is my b? X to the r. I want my r to be 2. X square, I am comparing. I want my r to be 2. So t 2 plus 1 equals mc2 times 1 to any number is 1 of x square. It is given that the coefficient is 6. So mc2 is 6. M factorial divided by 2 factorial times m minus 2 factorial equals 6. So what do I have in the numerator? M into m minus 1 into m minus 2 the whole factorial divided by 2 times m minus 2 the whole factorial equals 6. So what do I have? This goes off. So I am left with m into m minus 1 equals 6 times 2 is 12. So I have m square minus m minus 12 equals 0. So splitting the middle term, 12 every pirikla 4 times 3. So it is minus 4 times 3. So I have m square minus 4m plus 3m minus 12 equals 0. So m velila edutha m minus 4, m minus 4 plus 3 equals 0. So I have m minus 4 times m plus 3 equals 0. So my m values are 4 comma minus 3. Okay. Thank you so much for watching Math and Me with me, Nikhila Sankar. So with this we are done with binomial. I haven't solved a few questions from the exercises and the examples. So if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. ஏதாவது டவுட்னா தாராளமா கேளுங்க. I am always here. There is a lot of means to contact me. Comment sectionல கமெண்ட் பண்ணாலே நான் பார்ப்பேன். Okay? So do let me know. Thank you so much. Subscribe பண்ணிடுங்க மறக்காம. Okay? Bye.